It is $19.
Lifetime.
Yes.
There's something fishy there, man. Because these guys also approached me to promote their website to all my students. I said no because I guess $19 lifetime is not possible for an e-commerce site to host, right? Because you
And
have
as
videos, you have photographs to post on your website, and the hosting power should be more. So the server will not be able to handle that much amount of pressure on that. So
I think here I'd like to say that it's better to go for Groovecart. Maybe I told it to Shashank yesterday. They charge a little more. They are charging $1,300 for entire life, and they have very good feedback. You know, if you check your internet, a lot of people are already using. So Groovecart you can see.
Yes.
But Dashnext $19 is something they will lag in some place. You know, today it seems like it's very attractive, lucrative, but performance-wise, at some point of time, it will lag. It will definitely it will fail at some point. The customer support will not go. Sometimes the hosting will have problem.
So Sayan, you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and in this Groovecart, right? Do we have this Fuel app which Shashank told us to use Fuel app for POD?
POD by Fuel. We need to check. We need to check with them if they are supporting us. You can just ask their customer care if they are supporting POD by Fuel.
POD by Fuel is basically made only for Shopify. But I don't know about Groovecart. I need one of my associate got that Groovecart. Let me ask him whether this Groovecart is supporting the POD by Fuel or not, and after that I'll get back to you on that.
And going forward for drop shipping, Oberlo, all that, does it support or not?
Yeah. I'll just ask. I'll just have a trial version of it, and I'll let you know.
Sure. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys? How many of you are implementing Turbo Theme? Which I gave you Turbo Theme, which I gave you already. How are you feeling? Turbo Theme is most. You know, it's what do you say? Sophisticated theme for e-commerce. Okay, feeling awesome. So some of you already did that. Go ahead, work on that particular Turbo theme, guys. This is very good theme which I gave you, which will definitely increase your conversions. If you're not comfortable with working with Turbo theme, I already gave you one more theme, thebeautify.com, the Beautify theme for Shopify, which is a free version. You can always go ahead. If you're very serious about POD, go with the Beautify. If you're very serious about drop shipping, then I suggest you to go with Turbo theme. Okay.
Shashank, I just little bit confused with the connections and all. Means, suppose we develop the what you call the pages for the collections and all. But how to put that in the menu and all that? I'm little confused with that.
Okay, do one thing, sir. Do one thing. Just share your screen.
Okay.
Let me give you permissions to share your screen. I'll show you on your website. Just log into your website and just share your screen, so that everybody will also be able to understand that. You told yesterday that you're going to give you 100 more designs. Hitesh, did you complete the task? If you complete the task, I'll definitely give you that. And guys, one more important point. All of you are there on Facebook group, right? I'm not able to see any reactions on the Facebook group. Why is that? I want you guys to follow Facebook group so that use that Facebook group effectively, man. Seriously. I'm also planning many people to come on to Facebook group and maybe industry leaders. I'm trying. I'm just not promising you right now. I'm talking to these people. Maybe they'll come to our Facebook live sessions and give you some knowledge there as well. Ravi sir, I asked you for the control. Just give me the control. So yeah, I got it. I got that. So your website name is Polacart.
Right.
Okay. So one important suggestion here. See, the background of this is black and white, and it's completely white. Make it transparent. Make it transparent. It's looking
Sure,
like
sure.
a patch to me. Okay.
Right.
So you install Turbo theme. Okay, perfect. So fitness collection, that's good. Okay. Personalized t-shirts for any occasions and events exclusively from store.
Here also,
So you wanted to add the products here?
yeah, I want to add products here. Even I want to add in the shop is there, this place.
Okay, in the
I
shop you
dropped
wanted
on.
to, in the shop you wanted to add some collections, right?
Yeah, but I'm not much interested in the POD. I'm interested in the drop shipping actually.
Okay, anyways, the strategy is same, right? That's the thing is same.
Right.
So what you can do here is just go to online store. Just log in with this, okay.
Will be back
Why is
soon.
that? Array,
don't know
Shopify
exactly.
is down, man. Again, Shopify is down today.
Oh,
Okay, no issues. I'll take that. I'll take that again.
sure.
Okay. So any more questions, guys?
Shashank,
Ravi, which theme was that for the Polar Cut?
Turbo.
It's
That was
a
turbo
same
theme.
turbo only.
Yeah. Any more questions? Go ahead and ask me, guys. Come on.
yeah, Shashank, I have one question. Sagar here.
Yes, please, go ahead, sir.
Actually, I'm not able to connect PayPal. Okay, I have already account, which is active account. I am doing some transaction over that account, but still it's not getting connected. I don't know why. I'm falling in.
Share your screen. Share your screen right away.
Just a minute. I will share this.
Open your Shopify admin and share your screen.
Yeah. I hope now.
Okay, here
yeah.
very simple, very simple. Do not worry, very simple. I'm going to do it in a minute. Okay, just give me the control. Okay, just click on, guys. If you're also facing the same problem, right? Just do this. Just click on activate PayPal. Okay, put
Can
your
I-
email ID. Just
Yeah,
your email ID.
just-
Okay, just say next. Is the password. Once again. Guys, we have. If you do not have any questions, please mute yourself, right? Okay, guys, after you log in, right, if you wanted to get it, it's almost done, right? Now just scroll down. This is a normal issue. Just click on return to Shopify. That's it. Now see the magic. Done.
Okay, I was trying so hard. I was just taking above that button. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And just an update, I'm working on codershot.com. Okay, so I
Okay.
have uploaded a few. Yeah, I have uploaded till facial. Only three. What we say niches I have uploaded. So
Collection,
I want
yeah.
to work on more. Okay. And yeah, collection, sorry, and a collection and return policy and privacy policy I have copied from michigangard.com.
Okay.
So right now I don't know how to. So for just now I have taken that. Okay, and from backend I have connected this Facebook pixel also. So actually
Okay.
I'm more means I know how Facebook, basic things of Facebook. So I have connected that Facebook pixel. Okay, and yeah, I just have to ask one question. Suppose I'm clicking on this. Just a minute. This is not a right product. Okay, so this is my product. Okay, I have set up price and properly by calculation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and if I want to test this particular complete workflow,
Mm-hmm.
so for one time I have to buy actual product from this site.
No, what you can do is you can offer a discount, okay, to one of your friends in US right now. Okay, ask him to go to the website and take a purchase for $1.
Okay,
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 if $1 is coming onto your PayPal account, then it's working fine.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
So normally we will test like that. I normally test like that if everything is functioning or not. For example, I give this particular link to my friend. Guys, please. I give this link to my friend and give you him 99 or 99.99% discount. So you go ahead and pay through PayPal or $1 or $2. He'll pay through PayPal. So that I'll come to know if it's working fine or not. But in your case, it's working fine because you already connected with your PayPal account, right? So
Yeah,
it's working fine. Don't worry about that.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
How to
Thanks.
give discount? Okay, how to give discount? I'm going to show you. Just leave this to me.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
If you wanted to give some discounts, just click on online store. Sorry, here on top you have something called discounts, right? Just click on discounts here. It will ask you some options right now. Okay. Okay, let me.
Yeah.
Okay, create a discount code. Okay, now create a discount. For example, you wanted to give 20% discount. Code shots CS20. Okay, if you wanted to give it to a fixed amount or a free shipping or buy one get one free, something like that, or you wanted to give 20% discount, 20% discount, that is percentage. Put the discount value here, that is 20%. Okay, sorry, 20% here. And if you wanted to apply to all the products, apply to all the products. If you wanted to apply to a specific collection of products, just go ahead with that, or a specific products, just go ahead with that. Okay, and you wanted to give the active dates when this particular discount has to be there. Just click on save. The discount code is now available for you. Okay, that's how you give discounts.
Shashank, just one more question. Actually, I was just searching on this. I was trying this particular Shopify site. I come to here means I was doing with I was doing some things on in marketing. Okay, just a minute. I will show that.
Okay.
Yeah, I will leave this page. Okay, and I was connected to Facebook here. Okay, so what does it mean? Means here sales channel is showing Facebook.
Okay,
What?
it's in still a beta version from Shopify.
Okay.
It's you can directly sell your products from Facebook. Sorry, through Shopify to Facebook.
Okay. Does it mean that it will connect to marketplace of Facebook?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Shashank. Right now I have only these questions.
Okay, done.
Thanks. Thank you.
Shashank, will they charge when we move this to marketplace of Facebook when it comes? Shopify would charge extra.
You mean Facebook option? Yes, they'll charge you. I guess they'll charge you at $9. I'm not sure. $9, I guess.
Okay, and one more question, Shashank. In the same website, if Sagar wants to add few more collections in the menu, then that would come down, right, and it would look ugly.
Yes, I'll show you how to do that.
Option?
Yeah, I got it. I got your question. So what I can do is I can go to navigation right now, and the people who wanted to do it, I'll just show you how exactly it works. Okay, Sagar, you wanted to show? That's it. Just drag it to the right side. So it comes as a drop down. You got my point? Okay, you got my point.
Yes.
On the search, in the search, you have got one option, right? So drag it to the right side, just the right side. It becomes as sub items there. So it comes as a
Can you
drop
show
down
one
there.
again?
Okay.
Just refresh it. Now scroll down maybe.
No.
Maybe you should show it on the top menu, not here.
Yeah, in the top menu maybe.
On the top menu, maybe you'll have to show that. Just go ahead and show that one second.
So maybe you should create one menu like shop, and inside that we can keep that sub collections, I guess.
Now what I suggest you is, guys, please listen to this very clearly. Now what I suggest you is have two menu items. You need to have two menu items for sure. One is best selling. Okay, the other is shop now. The other one is discount sales. Something like this has to be there. Okay, best selling is what you need to have one menu item. Okay, then this fast selling or discount deals or something like that, you can have that as well. Yeah, this is how it actually comes up. Just drag it to the right side. So you need to have two menu items for sure. That is best selling. The other is discount sales or flash deals only for today. something like that, which helps the customer to go to that particular page. And maybe that's an impulse buying technique, what we call it as. So have that on the menu box.
And what we should keep in the best selling?
Any t-shirts of your choice which are winning, which you have a gut feeling that this is going to, this is going to get good number of purchases or something.
And where we would showcase all the rest of the collections.
You can showcase the shop now option.
Shop now.
Just have a drop down menu there. You can showcase there. That's better.
This is Satish, sir.
Hi Satish, చెప్పండి.
ఏంటి సార్ అందరూ ఇమేజెస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇమేజెస్ పెడుతున్నారు, నాకు ఆ ఇమేజెస్ ఎక్కడ దొరకట్లేదు. ఫ్రీ ఇమేజెస్ అన్ని కూడా మీకు నాకు కూడా
కట్ అవుతుంది. I'll explain you. We are talking in Telugu language right now. I'll explain you what exactly it is. Okay, just wait. చెప్పండి.
సారీ బ్రదర్, మామూలు ఇమేజెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కూడా మామూలుగా రొటీన్ గా ఉన్నట్టు ఉన్నాయి. అవి ఇప్పుడు నేను సైట్స్ లో చూసాను.
మీ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైంది. I got your question. The question was something like the images which you are using for slides, right, are the same and they're nothing different. That means each and every website has got the same images. Okay, then do one thing. Do not put slide option at all. Do not put a slide option at all. Just remove that. Do not have a slide option. Slider option is the same. That will solve your problem.
Okay.
Or else hire a graphic designer. He'll create one best slider for you and give it to you. That might be one of the options you can check. What is slide option?
Thank you.
As soon as you enter into the website, right, you get a slider, right? A big image, a slider option, a slide. You can have those slides. That's a slide option I'm talking about. Yeah, thank you. Any more questions?
This is Nilendra. When we create this shop now, when the new menu item, what is the link you want to give it to that?
You can give the link of shop now option or any other collections. For example, you wanted to give cat collections, right?
But I want to give the entire drop down. So how we can
entire drop down is not possible. What you can do is have one more slide. Okay, have one more slide and go to the shop now option there. Click on that and give a particular collection item or best selling option there. That's even better. Shop now anyways it's on the top right. Shop now anyways it's on the top right. You click on it.
Not there. I think we have to create it as a fresh. It is not there in the theme.
Sorry?
In the theme it is not there. I think we have to create as a fresh completely.
Yeah, you have to create a fresh slide. Yeah.
But entire drop down when you have to create, I think how we have to do, because we had collections. We had, like, for example, men's collection and women's collection. How we can create a drop down by having a shop now?
Okay, I'll show you that. Just share your screen once.
Sorry, his laptop was not accessible. I came outside.
Okay, Sagar, come on, share your screen. Let's show him. Cynthia, I'll review your store now. Just give me some time. Yeah. Okay, so let me take the control. Yeah. So now what happens is just go to online store here. Okay, for example, let me go to pages. Let me create one page. Okay, sorry, let me create a collection first. Okay, let me create a collection here. Okay. Okay, create collection. Okay, for example, okay, sorry, I guess we need to create a page. Sorry. Okay, online store page, pages, add a page. Shop now. Okay, and just scroll down. Do not have anything here. Just save it. Okay. Now let me, let me go to navigation. Let me go to navigation and let me go to the main menu here. Let me add shop now, link it to your page, right? So click on pages, click on shop now and add. Now to the shop now, and I'm going to add some collections, okay? Right? Now see this. Click on this, add to menu. Okay. Okay, not required. So here, okay, if you wanted to have Fisher, just drag it to the bottom, put it here. Okay, on shop now you got Fisher here. Just drag it to the bottom, put it here. Just drag it. Put it here. Okay, it has got to FAQs. Okay, let me drag it here again. See now, I got two. Now save it. Okay. Now just click on online store. Now under shop now you have got Fisher and the other one. Okay. See shop now. You put your cursor here. See Fisher and fitness. So that's how it actually works out. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, clear. So within again, how we can segregate men's and women's, like under the shop now. So there are two niches like Fisher, as I understood. But above that, if you have to separate again for the men's and women's, how we can do that?
You add separate collection, right? Again,
Like
you
for
add
the entire
collection. Again, you should add separate collection and drag it to the bottom if you want, or else just shop now. You can have cat lovers, gym lovers, or something like that. Men's and women collection you can have separately on the menu box again.
Okay, perfect.
And Shashank, you were telling about this discounted this one, right? In the discounted menu. So there we have to again showcase some collection, or what link should we give there in the discounted this one?
You can go. You can see discounted link. You can give it to a complete collection or a complete product or a complete shop. Okay, or a specific product. Okay.
Specific.
When you're advertising, right, for that particular product, in the ad text, whenever you're writing an ad, right, ad copy or ad text on Facebook, right, there you'll clearly say that use this CS20 to get 20% off.
Okay.
Let me check out. So that's how you promote it. That's how you give the link.
So you'll cover this in the Facebook ads when you're explaining this?
Yes, I'll cover this. Okay, where can we show the product likewise unisex tee tank top onto the store? Okay, so let me take this. Where can we show product wise like unisex tee tank top hoodie in the store? Okay, are you going to attract customers to visit our website or to visit a particular product? To visit a particular product, we are going to attract people to visit a particular product. Okay, and where can we show the product wise like unisex tee tank top hoodie in the store? You need to go to Fuel app. Okay, and you've got two options there. One option is segregate by group. Just click on that segregate by group. Okay, it will be on the top side. It will be on the top. Just click on that. Just select this, select a particular thing. Okay, then you'll be able to add all the products to that. Then you'll be able to add all the products to that. Let me show you that. Okay, for example, just click on create products here. Okay, take any product. Okay, take any product. Okay, select any product. I'm going to show you. Go to the top. Now continue to mockup creation. See now, group products into one Shopify product. So here it is. Or else if you wanted to show it separately, split products into multiple Shopify products, you can also use this. But my suggestion, my recommendation, go with this, where in this particular thing you can add tank tops, hoodies, sweatshirts, crew neck shirts, unisex t-shirts, everything can be added here if you select this particular option. Okay. So any more questions, guys? Are you guys here? Okay. I mean the store drop down. Okay. Let me check this, guys. Are you using Turbo Theme? So let me know in the chat box. Are you using Turbo Theme? Okay. If you're using Turbo Theme, go to the product pages. Go to the product pages. Okay. Let me share. Look. Let me share you my screen only. Yes, let me share my. So what's happening? Oh, huh? Okay, I'm also using Turbo Theme, the same Turbo Theme I'm using. Let me go to admin of it. Okay. Now what you can do is just click on online store. It's taking a lot of time to load. Okay. Click on customize. Click on customize. Now what you need to do is just, guys, listen to this very carefully. This is one of the important options for Turbo Theme. People are using Turbo Theme. Here, all the options, whatever, somebody asked me about the email pop-up, right? The email pop-up setting is also here itself. Whatever you wanted to do, for example, I got a question, how do you have a drop-down option? Here you go to product pages, just click on product pages. Whatever you wanted to customize, right? Here it is, go to product pages. Okay. Okay, now all the settings are here, guys. See, whatever sections you wanted to use, just you can see the sections here. If you wanted to make any changes in the theme, just go here. See, you got everything here. Okay, everything here. For example, if you wanted to change the color, you can go for color. If you wanted to change the menu, if you wanted to change the search, if you wanted to change the product grid, currency, newsletter. Some people asked me about the pop-ups and all, right? Here is what. Just remove this. If it is selected, just remove this. So each and everything is here, guys. So if you wanted to use any favicon option here, just go ahead and use your own logo here. So all the themes are here. If you wanted to make any changes in the cart page, that is after a particular person is going to the cart, what exactly you wanted to show in the cart. Okay, I'm showing all these options to person. If you do not want it to show, okay, go to product grid. Okay, see now. Just showcase one if you want. Do not show any images. Okay. You can have different options here. Just go ahead and have different options here. This is on the product grid part. If you wanted to change any colors, you can have any colors here. Okay, go to cart page here. See. Okay. So all the options are there in the cart page. As soon as the person goes to the cart page, what is that you wanted to show? What is that you wanted to showcase? Each and every option is here. Guys, if you are not talking to me, please mute, right? Getting a lot. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so all the changes are here. The only thing you need to concentrate here is this one, guys. Go to customize option. You'll find all the options here. For example, you want to make any changes in the collections page. Just click on collections page. So what exactly you wanted to showcase in collections page? You have sections here. Say this in collections page, you got all this. So make some changes here itself. So it's very easy to work on Turbo theme. It's very easy to work on Turbo theme. Okay. Is fuel our vendor? Yes, Archit, fuel is our vendor. There are much more options in our Shopify subscription. There is no much more options in our Pradyum. I didn't get your question. There are. Can you talk, please? Where are you, Pradyum? Let me unmute you first. Oh, let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, please go ahead and talk to me. What exactly was the question? I'm unable to hear you. Can you hear me? No noise from your side, sorry. Just type in your question once again. Na? Just type in your question once again. Printify and Fuel, what are the difference in which better? We have compare both. Okay, you have one more vendor called as Printify, guys. It's same like Fuel. Okay, whatever we are doing it on Fuel, we have one more vendor called as Printify. The only difference is Printify will charge you $1 or $2 more than Fuel. That's the only thing. Printify is also professional. They are also very good. But as we are starters, right, we wanted to sell the particular t-shirt for the lesser price. That's the only reason we go with, Fuel by POD by Fuel, not Printify. You can also use Printify. They have got better quality as well. But when you compare the prices, Printify charge you little higher than Fuel. But hi, Shashank, from where you can get good pictures for the website other than Shopify free images? I will put that list. I'll put that list in the Facebook group today. After the session, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that for you. Okay, I'm going to do that.
Shashank, what's the attributes of Facebook? We are able to download some pictures, but some kind of attributes they're asking us to add in the website.
I didn't get your question. Ask again, sir, please.
Some kind of attributes we need to add, I believe.
No. It'll ask you to thank the photographer who actually took the photograph. It's right. Okay. That's completely your wish if you wanted to give that. While mock-up during product adding, abusing Fuel, some of the designs showing as an average. Do we need to go ahead with only good strength? It's okay, Nilendra. You can go with average as well. No issues. No issues. If you have good designs with good strength, go ahead with that. Average also works. Average also works. And one more important point, guys. Today in the Facebook group, I gave you a website. How many of you saw that particular website? Let me know in the chat box. Or you can talk to me directly, right? How many of you saw that particular website which I gave you in the Facebook group today? I saw it. It was awesome. I saw it. Okay. I'm just going to showcase why exactly I want you guys to see that. Okay, let me share my screen. The thing I gave you was this one. Which one is that? Sorry.
Some coffee, something was there.
Not coffee, man.
Yeah, Cafe Express.
Cafe Express.
Yeah.
Okay. This was it. This was this, guys. So what you can do is you can get some sort of design inspirations here, guys. Okay, for 2020 elections, you got some design inspirations here. Okay, just scroll down, see this. For example, if you're a cat lover, you already have cat lover, or you are also already into cat lover collections, or a dog lover, for example, see this. You'll find nice designs here, man. Seriously, you'll find very good designs here. See, cats and cats, stay at home, cat dad. These are the good designs, you know. Cat mama. And yesterday, you can even have in Fuel POD, you can even have pillows. In custom cats, you can have pillows. In Profit Pillows, you can have a pillow. So see this, I work hard so my cat can live a better life. Pure cat lover t-shirt. You can have this design on your cat lover collection. So these type of designs, you can get major inspiration. I'm telling the truth today. I get a lot of inspiration from this particular website. That's the reason why I gave you this particular website name today. I want you guys to research a lot. OCD, obsessive cat disorder. See how exactly it is. So you get these type of design inspirations, right? You get some design inspirations motivated by cats and caffeine. Okay, so I want you guys to concentrate on this, guys. And guys, let me tell you one important point. Q4 is about to come. If you are not working right now, you are not going to make big money. I'm trying very hard. Let me tell you, I'm trying very hard to impart all the knowledge, whatever I have. I want you guys to take the action. Do not sleep for 1 or 2 hours. Nothing happens to you. Do not sleep. Sacrifice your sleep. Okay, go ahead and work on this particular sites. Test the products. Start working. You'll get good number of sales. If you're being lazy right now, nobody can help you. I'm sorry. If you're being lazy, nobody can help you out. Okay, this is not a Shopify. This is not a Shopify theme. Okay, this is not a Shopify. Okay, I'm able to remove that newsletter pop-up. It's not there in the theme setting. I'm going to show you right away. Is it turbo theme? No. I think this is Shopify run by an Indian. No. If I told you it's a small hack, right? If it is a Shopify, if it is made on Shopify, you'll get a blue color here. Commerce Inspector is the Chrome extension that I told you yesterday. So it is not purely not made on Shopify. Sir, please do not, guys, please do not call me sir. First point, call me Shashank. Okay. Please do not call me sir. Okay, we put the niche wise drop down in shop now cat lover or collection wise tea hoodie. No, you'll put the collection. No, you'll put the drop down shop now. In that particular drop down, you put the collection cat lovers, gym lovers, dog lovers, something like that. You'll put that. Which theme the site is using, I do not know. Shall I share my screen? Yeah, please share your screen. I'm going to give you permission for that. Pillow Profit connection problem. Oh, I'll check that for you. How does it help to know whether it's done under Shopify or not? You have a Google Chrome extension. I guess you missed yesterday's class. You have a Google Chrome extension called as Commerce Inspector. If you're Shopify, if you're see, my website is made on Shopify. It is showing me a blue color indication. Just click on that. You'll get all the details of mine. Just click on products. See this. See this. You'll get everything here. Okay. What are the other options? Yes, I get that. But what's the benefit if in knowing? In knowing what's the benefit, okay. For example, see. Okay. Let me click on this. I'm going to show you something very important. Okay. Go to products here. If you are able to see best selling products here, best selling products, you'll come to know the best selling products in that particular website. If that is made on Shopify. Okay. I guess you missed yesterday's class. What is the other option if they do not, if they are not using Shopify? WooCommerce may be one, or Magento may be one. These two are the options they can have. WooCommerce, Magento, they have many other OpenCart. These are the different options they have. Okay. Okay, let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, let me. Okay, whose screen is this now? Whose screen is this? Yeah, Cynthia. Okay. Let me take the remote control. Yeah, please accept the request. Okay, done. Now she has got a problem with the pop-up button, guys. So what you can do is just scroll down. Okay, you got a pop-up. See, you got a pop-up here. Done. 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 Okay, just save. Now open your website and check if the pop-up is still coming. Let it save. Let it save. Yeah, now check your website. Check your website. It's very simple. Okay, I'll check it. Just click on the Shopify icon here. Click on online store. Now I think you should not be able to see this pop-up now. Okay, that's it. So any more questions, guys? How to create our logo? Canva.com or Harshit, I guess you're not following classes, man. Seriously. Harshit, you're not following classes. You're missing out classes or you're not following the recordings. In the first class, I told you, right? Cynthia, happy with this? Happy with this? Let me know in the chat box. Yes, okay. I am, but I haven't done my website yet. Okay. It's okay. I should just go ahead with that. I have made a gift store. I'll check this, Cynthia. I'll check this tonight and give you a review. Okay. Okay. So let me stop sharing the screen. And Harshit has got a question.
Shashank.
Yeah, keep.
Yeah, Shashank, for this discounted link, right? We can create a collection and add whatever products we want to give it as a discount, right? And give
Yes,
it as a
you
menu.
can.
That's
You
it,
can.
right?
You can.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Harshit has got a question on logo. Okay, let me share my screen. What you can do is just type in Shopify logo creator. Shopify logo generator. You can use this, put your logo there, or else if you want nice professional logo, guys, you can use Fiverr.com. For $5, they'll give you a nice professional logo, which 100% looks different from Shopify logo generator. You can use that. Okay, I got one more question. How do you use? Let me take one more question. How can we use commerce traffic? Okay, people who didn't attend yesterday's class, this is how we use. Okay, normally what we do is, for example, let me type in dog t-shirts. Okay, for example, I'm going to codershorts.com. I wanted to check if this particular, website is made on Shopify or not. Let it load. As soon as it loads, we'll get a symbol that this particular website is made on Shopify. Yes, we got a symbol. Okay, right? And if you wanted to know the best selling, right? Okay, let me give you. Okay, this is one of my favorite websites, guys. lmct.com. It's also POD store. I also get some sort of design inspirations from this. Okay, let me put this in the WhatsApp group for you. Okay, LMCT, I use this. For example, if this particular thing is made on Shopify, right? You get an option here. It becomes blue in color. The reason it is not coming blue in color because it is not made on Shopify. It's not made on Shopify. But this particular thing is very good for dog lovers or something like that. See, nope, not today. How many of you liking this particular t-shirt, guys? This is exclusively for dog lovers, and you can directly target the breed. I don't know what breed is this. If you know the breed, you can directly target that particular breed. Okay, you get a good number of sales there. So yeah, coming back to the topic, if this particular website is made on Shopify, you'll get a symbol here. Okay, that's blue in color, and you can get access to that particular page. So what is the best selling? How much traffic is coming onto that particular website? What are the newest products that they added to the website? I want you guys. I want you to go to the yesterday's recording and check. We had a nice discussion on this. Just check the recording. You'll be able to understand this much more better. Okay, for people who wanted to promote dog t-shirts and cat t-shirts or something like that, this is one of the nice websites I follow. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Let me know. How a customer can know whether it is a POD or a drop shipping site. Drop shipping website is all about physical products. POD is all about printing products. That's the only difference. Also, I tried installing Pillow Profits, but it's not free. It's asking $29 per month. I guess they removed the free trial. It used to be free trial for 14 days, man. 7 days or 14 days. Pillow Profit free trial. Yeah, it should be there. I'm not sure. Yeah, 7 days trial. You have got 7 days trial. You can use that if you want. Okay, you can use that if you want. Yeah, keep.
Shashank, can you show us how do you find good designers in Fiverr? How do you search them? Based on what criteria do you judge them?
Okay. If you are much more interested, right, I'll give a dedicated designer to you. Okay, where you can contact him directly and make your designs. Is that okay with you guys? Let me know.
Yeah. That
I'll give you a dedicated designer for your batch, maybe.
Okay.
You can directly talk to him, and yeah, he's Indian. He's Hyderabadi. Okay, don't worry. He will be Hyderabadi, and he's Indian. Okay, so
yeah, Shashank, that would be really great if you can give us. It will avoid confusion.
Shashank, you are showing something on logo from Fiverr.
Yeah. Okay. Let me show you this.
That is very important because
logo is very important, guys. Do not play with logo. Okay. Just go here. Just type in logo. The logo design. Just talk to these guys and get it done. That's it. Just give me a second. In video. Okay. So, just go with people who are online right now. Serious. You got good logo designers. Okay, but they're charging huge amount of money. No. Just go to budget. Okay, just go to budget. Okay, just type in 100 rupees to maximum 500 rupees. Just say apply. Just connect to these people. For example, just check the rating 499. Okay, just click on this. Just talk to these people. Pay him 386 rupees or 500 rupees, whatever he is asking you. Tell him that you are into POD store. Tell him that I'm selling t-shirts. I'm also into drop shipping. Okay, and give your domain name to him. This guy will create a beautiful logo and give it to you. That can be done. That can be done. Nice point about logo. Okay, that's how you create a beautiful. If you want a beautiful logo, pay $5, man. If you are okay with any type of logo, go to with the Shopify logo generator. Go with Shopify logo generator. That also helps. How to forward order to the vendor? That can be automatically done, Jayanta. As soon as you get the order, Fuel will take that order and process the order and ship it to the customer. That's automatic. If someone uses our logo, what should you do? Send them an email. That's it. But the whole point is how do you know that they're using the logo? Is there purely vendor like Fuel on Shopify for Indian location? Yeah, we have. I'll have to check my dictionary once again. I'll get back to you on this for sure. We have Indian POD vendors. We have Indian POD vendors. I'll also give you that if you're interested in that. Yeah, Printro, perfect. Printro. Yeah, Printro does for you. Okay, let me open that for you. Printrove. Yeah, this guy works for you. Yes, Printrove is the best option. I'll also try to get much more to you. Yeah. Okay. Any more question, guys? Come on. And okay, I think they have some 5K plan for Printrove. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Sagar. I'll have to check that. Okay, let me check that for you. Services. Okay, they are into drop shipping. Let me check. Nothing major on it. Just check this, guys. Just check this. Men's clothing. Okay, let me check this. 145 rupees is what they give you. Okay, you got different colors. You can also use Indian drop shipping for this. Yeah. Okay, I think they have got 5K plan for Printrove, and then they, can I send traffic to my product for sales? I'll check section. Yeah, please check it. Please check it, Sagar. Yeah, please. Okay, any more questions, guys? Let me know soon. Okay, shall I ask you a question now? Shall I ask you a question? I want everybody to switch on your webcams. Everybody has to switch on their webcams. Come on. Everybody. Bharat, I guess you had a problem. Ganesh, switch on your webcam. Madhav Chopra, I want you to switch on the webcam. Cynthia, right now, no questions. Okay, that's great. Okay, now the question is very simple. How many of you are still not confident? How many of you are not confident? Okay, Pradyum is still not confident. That's okay. Harshit is not still confident. Okay. Others, guys, just Mahendra Sharma.
Hi, Neelendra.
Yeah, Mahendra sir, please tell me.
Hello, sir. This is Madhav.
Yeah, Madhav.
Sir, actually, I shouldn't say that I am not confident. Actually, I am a bit confused because I actually want to start only with one store, either with POD or with drop shipping.
Okay.
And you said in your earlier also many times that drop shipping is better than POD. And I have read a few blogs also.
Madhav, I tell you, my personal thing is drop shipping is better.
Actually, I've had a few blogs as well. So they also many discussions. They said that for starters, POD is a better option. So
I'll tell you one more important point. Yeah, I got your point. I'll tell you one important point here. Let me mute you. I'll tell you one important point. Okay. Whether you go with drop shipping or whether you go with POD. Okay. Or else whether you go with these two options, that's completely on your decision. Okay. And don't wait for drop shipping classes to start right now. Start working on POD. At least you'll be having confidence on creating a store. The only thing when you convert yourself into drop shipping is you'll change the products. You'll remove t-shirts and you put your drop shipping store there. That's it. So do not wait for drop shipping classes to start right now. Start working on POD. Put some t-shirts. Work on this particular store. Get some confidence. That's much more important, right? Okay. And the people, let me tell you clearly, people who said I'm not confident yet are the people who didn't start working. Am I correct? It's okay, guys. You can talk to me. Okay. Don't be shy talking to your friends before. People who are not confident are the people who didn't start working. Maybe you're not giving 100% to yourself. Am I correct, Pradhani? Am I correct?
Yeah, you are correct.
Yeah. So give some time. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Q4 is coming. Black Friday sale are coming. Monday, Cyber Monday sales are coming. There are elections in US right now. I'm confused on some points. Okay, what are those points, ma'am? Just put it there. I'm going to right now answer you. I want you guys. I'm telling you one more thing very seriously. Sacrifice your sleep. Okay. 2 hours. If you don't sleep, nothing will happen. I'll take care about your health. Okay, don't worry. I'll give you everything when to sleep and not to sleep. I'll take care about your health. Don't worry. 2 hours every day you need to spend on Shopify stores. Okay. Start working. Q4 is coming. If you wanted to mint money, if you wanted to make money, this is the right time. I'm telling you once again. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Okay. Start working. Any more questions for me, guys? Let me know in the chat box. And others, are you confident? I got only through 3 or 4 people saying not confident. Others, are you confident? Let me know the truth, because it's all recording. I'm recording each and everybody's answers here. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Only these many. 4 to 5. Okay, how many people are 50% confident? How many of you are 50% confident? Now I'll get good results. See. How many of you are 50% confident, man? More than 50, 75%. Okay. 50% confidence. Okay. 50. Okay, anyways. 100%. Thank you so much, sir. Start working. Okay. I guess this particular session was essential. That's the reason why I didn't take any main subject right now. Jayanta, 200%. Where is Jayanta? I want to talk to him. Jayanta, where are you? Where are you, Jayanta? Where are you, man? I'm not able to see you. Where are you? Okay. Jayanta, where are you? I'm not able to see you, man. Seriously. Just unmute yourself and talk to me.
Unmute yourself.
I got you. Jayanta, are you attending classes at least? I didn't see you in any class.
No, basically I am infected because of COVID.
Okay. Congratulations. It's okay. Congrats for that. How are you feeling now?
No, it's good now.
Are you at home quarantine?
Normal now. Yeah.
Okay, take care, man. Take care.
Last 2 weeks, this process going on. So from yesterday, I am now active.
Okay.
So I have 15 to 20 days now to do everything.
Yeah. Start working, man. Start working. Okay.
Shashank, you named few days, right? In the Q4 that these days are coming. Be ready. What are those days?
Cyber Monday, Black Friday.
Cyber Monday.
Yeah, Cyber Monday and Black Friday.
What is that, Shashank? Cyber Monday?
Cyber Monday, they got some day there where a huge number of sales happen on that particular day. Okay, in London we call it as Boxing Day, Thanksgiving Day. So they got a festival there, something like festivals there where they get a huge number of products at discount rate. Halloween Day, yeah, Halloween Day.
Okay.
People are crazy. Which one is nearest day from now? I guess, let me check that for you once again.
It's a Black Friday only, Shashank.
Black Friday, I guess it's in October, right?
Yes, no, it's in November.
Okay. Black Friday date. 27th November.
So after 27 November, next Monday is a Cyber Monday.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, yes, yes. After 27th November, next Monday is a Cyber Monday. So that's how we concentrate on this Halloween day. Yeah, that's also a good option. Please share Halloween designs. Okay, let me check if I have Halloween designs for you. No, I don't have Halloween designs. I need to check with my designer. I'll check with my designer and let you know. Okay. So any more questions, guys? Okay. How many of you think that this session was needed? How many of you think that this session is needed? Okay, Shangaru will design a detail will be shared in Hyderabad. Yeah, you can get that. Useful, useful. Okay, thank you. I'll continue with these type of sessions, guys. Okay, Saturday, 31st October, Halloween 2020. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all for today. And please share your store URL and password so that I can review your stores from time to time. I'll meet you again. I'll just give you the date for the classes again. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we do not have any classes, guys. Okay. Today's recording will be shared in half an hour more. I request you to share the sales screenshots. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay. Next 2 days, I'll finish my store. Perfect. Jayant, all the best. I hope you're queued now. Just come back, start working. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, Shashank.
Thank you.